think that's not working. Wait, good stuff.
Alright guys, so we're back at the alley for the second time. You already know what we come back to do if you haven't already watched my first video. One of my cousins recently celebrated her birthday and we decided to head back over to the bowling and to try it out. We came a bit early before our appointment, so we just killed some time playing some games. I had to challenge my cousin to some basketball. Obviously, I had to let him win because he's the younger cousin. Only by one though, but yeah, after a few couple games, it was time for the real deal.
Yeah, we're going to press it too soon. I'm not sure the ball so many fast. Get on your team.
I was off the substance.
All now you're off the substance.
This is actually the first bowling alley to ever be introduced in Trinidad. So I mean, we were fairly new to it. I don't think any of us tried bowling before. So I mean, the first round was obviously trash. I was the only person in the first round to get a point in my lane. It was really terrible. But after the second round, everybody starts to catch up and pick up pace and really understand how it goes.
You gotta go up on it to start it. I see only one with a point right now.
Nobody cares.
What? Oh!
No fucking way. Wow. No.
Come on now, man. What time is it? Tyrese. What's his score, man? Run hard and let go. Ah, what are you talking about? How do you like run from one here? Make sure you're going straight, right? You're going straight, right? That.
I'm nervous.
Run with it, you have it. Go ahead, go ahead. That's good. Nice something, nice something. I'm talking about it. How are you feeling, boy? Confident?
Did I see you seeing this, man? Bowling not that easy.
They're all easy, yeah, they're all easy. Those are them.
Do not forget to run up now, boy. Just walk.
Let me see you now, let me see you. Way! Yeah, this one, bro. Hard, hard. Nah, yeah, don't go hard, bro. I'ma tell you something. You see the hair to the real. But I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the energy. It's not nice.
That's not why I calculate it. That's not why here. I know I ain't got nothing yet, but I calculate it.
Yeah, don't touch my ball.
Third round, we were killing it. Obviously, your boy was still in the lead. I just have a natural competitive side. You all know how I am with games and how I am with the channel in general. If any of you feel you could challenge me, feel free to comment it down below and I might just do a bowling video with you.
What's wrong with you? You go and come second? Yeah, I'm glad you know. What fourth? No! You get something, you get something. This one is yours. This one is yours, right?
Yeah.
Got the ball there? Let me see it?
Yeah.
Kiss the ball, kiss the ball.
Yeah, but you
He have it.
I just easy and hold it too.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That all there?
What you take?
Can I exercise?
Jesus Christ.
Nah, it's a command.
Shit.
I don't realize something. Well, I'm going to check the same scores after, you know. I see you come.
Oh, damn. Oh, they ain't gonna embarrass me. That's what.
Okay, no, I fought, but I fought.
That's okay.
That is not okay. Jadan, you get no ideas, right? Feel like shit. Shit! Come, nothing fair. Nothing fair. I talking. Hey! What went on there? Yes, better. People coming too close, boy. Coming too close, boy.
Every time somebody drop one.
This right there.
Any ball.
Let go, don't hold on to it,
Big girl see line. You kind of see line. And his face.
and slipping way.
Yeah, slipping.
But what's his score though? What are they clapping at?
Be proud.
Them boy ball. Wow, you're training with that ball. Huh? Wait for the ball. Jasmine. It is a strike? What are you talking about? I didn't get head over it. The boy still leading. You telling yourself. This one on pressure on you, eh? You had to make this one. This is it? The sure. I'm gonna get
Nah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah! That is it, right? That is it. That small thing, that one more, bro. You have that. That is it, right?
Who's calling it? Who's calling it?